I had the opportunity today to work with Orec's tracked Cyclone Flail Mower. It's an impressive machine. We've used others in the past, and it's just not comparable to what the Cyclone can perform. You can actually get down into the water and ride the edge with the tracks without sliding, slipping, and worrying about putting your expensive machine in the water. I really liked how it didn't bog down on you when you got into the thicker brush. It'd tear right through it like nothing. Where your other machines you're having to back up 4 or 5 times to get through one pass, where this was just very impressive. Mulch is really impressive. You don't have a big mess everywhere. It outperformed the others we've used by a lot, just in the performance of the maneuverability and being able to get into tight corners and up next close to things. I'd like to find out where we get on the order list to make a purchase, because it's going to save us money in the long run.